Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Sorry we've not been posting much, been busy looking after kids and moving house, but now we've moved house and settled all back in. So yeah, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to build an easy storage system where you can have multiple items going into a specific chest. But before we get into that, like the video if you have a child and comment if you don't. So let's get straight into it. We're just going to give my child a spare controller to just play about with. So this is the simple storage system that we're going to be showing you how to build, and then we're going to show you how to actually put multiple items in a chest. But to just quickly show you that it works, we're just going to put a couple of items in the input chest. There's a few in there, few in there, and a few in there. So as you can see, get out of the way, there is items all going into the chest. Now let's say that you wanted the mossy stone stairs and the, are they purple? Purple? Well, okay, that's a strange word. And this, so let's say you wanted both of these stairs in this one. All you gotta do is remove these two right here, and then what you want to do is place hopper going into that one, hopper going into that one, and now what you want to do is put your items in, and now as you can see all three go into one chest. And then if you wanted to add more, what you'd need to do is put another one of those in, another one of those in, an upside down stairs, and then put another hopper into there, and then you obviously mark it like that. So what we're going to do quickly is we're going to show you how to build this, and just show you like that. So what you want to do is get a drop up. You want to place one like this, another one on top, and then you want to place one here. Then come around to the side and you want to place a chest with a hopper underneath, and then you want to go on the opposite side and get a comparator, place it down to a block. Next you want to put a repeater to a block, and then, oh wait, sorry, no, take the block out, and then what you want to do is put redstone here, here and here, put two blocks here, bit of redstone, and then a repeater there. So that's all done. So the input chest is all ready. Next what you want to do is you want to answer the door.
"2,000 years later."
Right, sorry about that, we had a delivery. Right, so what was I saying? Right, so yeah, so what we're going to do now is we're going to place chests here. We'll do 4 this time, but instead of doing 4, if you want one item to go in, you want to, so what we're going to do, we're going to keep these 4 here, and it'll be easier to go through. So what's the next bit? So we're going to want to place 3 blocks like that, come across, and then add an extra one, and then come round, crouch place chest hoppers going into each other into this part here. And then what you want to do is get your stairs, or anything that's not a full block, so that can be slabs, stairs, whatever you like, place them right here, and then let me just make sure, yep. And then next you want to place your hoppers into that. This child is making me go weird. Oh, I've gone a bit wrong, so just delete those chests there and place them here instead. And then you want to dig down right here, and you want to get yourself some redstone torches, and you want to place them on the back right here, and then get your hoppers and crouch place them into the chests. Now once you've done that, let's just see what's here. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to place a block here with comparators coming out of them like that. And then you want to remove this block. Oops. And you want to place repeaters going into them like that with a block on top. And then all you got to do now is put redstone at the bottom here and redstone up here. Sorted. Now what you want to do is come to here, and let's say you wanted to put in, let's get some diamonds. Let's do all the like money sort of thing. So we've got 64 diamonds. So now we're not going to need any of these. We're going to need the hoppers. Let's go for emeralds. Let's go for iron. And let's go for gold. So now we have these. So what you want to do is go into that hopper there, and you want to paste one in each, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. One will drop out into the next hopper. Same again. All those in there, then 19. So like that. And then again with the emeralds. And then again with the diamonds. This child is very fidgety. So once that's done, so all these are set to their own box. So what you want to do now to make them all go into its own box, you want to do this, remove all the chests, and then these are the 4 hoppers that we're going to be get put into one chest. So now you want to get a chest, and we'll say we'll have it here. Then what you want to do is get the hopper, crouch place into that side, crouch place into that side, and that's it. Now you just put all your items in here. Iron and emeralds. And then you check this, and as you can see, all 4 go into that chest. Now you can do this for any items. Like with redstone, I found out there is 9 items, like redstone items, like dispensers. I think the dispensers were in that. But I've used, for mine, there was 9 items, and it was like redstone torches, redstone repeaters, comparators, redstone blocks, stuff like that. There was about 9 items in my other world that I connected in. But